Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your laptop's USB port charge your phone. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. In this video you do not need any software, you'll need to change one setting in Device Manager. So go to Device Manager, right click to start and then click Device Manager. Once you're in Device Manager, you need to go to the last option where it says Universal Serial Bus Controllers, and you need to click the little arrow next to it to expand the other options as well. Here you may see that your laptop may have more USBs than my laptop, because my laptop has only 3 USB ports, and the USB ports are the last 3 ones, these ones right here. And what you need to do right now, you need to find the correct USB port to charge your phone. For me, it's the last USB port right here, USB root hub, USB 3.0. And what you need to do after you have found the correct USB port to charge your phone, you need to right click to that correct USB port and click Properties. And you need to go up here in the top where it says Power Management. Now by default this option is going to be like that, enabled. As it says here, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So what this means, if you close your laptop and you try to charge your phone, you cannot, because the laptop will have shut down that USB port to save power. So what you need to do, you need to uncheck this option and then click OK. And what this does is the complete opposite of what I said. Once you close your laptop and you try to charge your phone, your laptop will charge that phone, but it will use more power opposed to what it will be enabled. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the proof that this actually works, because I do not have a secondary camera to record my phone charging, but you can try out for yourself. I'm pretty sure it works 100%. I have tested it out myself, and yeah, tell me in the comment section if it actually worked or not. And yeah, that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.